Everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Models. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be some how to cut this lovely khimar style you're seeing on the screen. So I'm making use of 1 yard of this fabric to cut it out. This is a crepe fabric, as you can see. So I'll be folding this into 2 first, then into 4 before cutting it out. Yeah. So this is after it has been folded into 4. You can see this is into 2, then into 4. So this is the point we're going to take our wideness of the sleeve. But before then, the first thing we're going to take here is going to be shoulder slant of 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches of shoulder slant. Then the next thing I'm going to take is going to be the wideness of the sleeve, which I'll be making use of 15 inches for the wideness of the sleeve. Then I'll come here to take 16.5 inches, because when we plus shoulder slant plus this edge is going to give us 16.5 inches, so that we're going to have a straight line here. You understand? We're going to have a straight line like this, you can see. So the next thing I'm going to take here is going to be the wideness of the body, which is not constant. It depends on how wide you want your kaftan, your khimar to be. So I'll make use of 20 inches. So 20 inches, I'll make use of 18 inches for the wideness of the body. So 18 inches. So yeah, so after that I'll be taking the full length of the body, so yeah, I'll be making use of 60 inches, which is going to be here. Then the next thing I want to do here is to connect this line together, connecting this line together like this. So from here, I'm going to make a straight line down to the full length like this. So that means to have a straight line, you have to take the same wideness you took here, take it here too. 18 inches. Then 18 inches down here. Then you connect them together to have a straight line. So the next thing we're going to do is to take the roundness of the neckline, which will be making use of 5 inches for the wideness, then 1.5 3 inches for the back. They connect them together like this. Then the front is going to be 5 inches, you can see. So this is the difference of the back. They connect it to the same wideness here. So from here you're going to have a slant line to the shoulder slant like this, So after this now, you can now cut it out. So this is the mini fabric I'm using for the hoodie. The first thing is to fold it into 2. It's just into 2. So after folding it into 2, the next thing I'm going to take is the length of the hoodie, which I'll make use of 20 inches here, but it's not constant. You can make use of 15, 16, 17, 18 to 20, but I think 20 should be enough. So the wideness I'm using here, you can make use of 15 inches. That means by the time you open it to be 30 inches, but here I make use of 14.5 inches. So I'm using half inch for both sides. I'll be left with 13.5 inches. That means the roundness of the neckline should be 27 inches for the hoodie to be able to firm there. So the next thing I'm going to take here is take some inches down here just to bring out the shape of the hoodie. Then you cuff it like this to the upper part, like this. You can just cuff it this way. So I took 7 inches up, then 7 inches at this point too. Then now connect them together. You can make use of arm cut. If your hand is not straight enough, you can see. Then connect it like that, then you cut it out. As you can see, then you cut it out this way. So after this now, I'll now cut it out. Now the length we use is 20 inches, I told you, and the wideness we use is 14.5 inches, as you can see. So let me cut out the length. So I'll be making use of this remaining fabric to cut out the cap. So I want to load the neckline. So that means I'll be taking up some inches from the back, then slant it to the front. This is what I mean by that, you can see. So this is the back and here is the front. So I'll now slant it up here. So let me take up to, let me say 2.5 inches or 3 inches. Let me make it 3 inches here. Then I'll now slant it down to the front neckline. So this is how it's going to be. As you can see. So we are done with the hoodie. The next thing to cut out here is going to be the cap. So let me cut out the cap for you. So this is to cut out the cap. So I'll be folding this into 2 like this, then into 4. So the width I'll be using here is going to be about 5 inches, and the length is going to be 6 inches, as you can see. So I'll make use of 6 inches here. So I'll be adding half inch to it. That's 6.5 inches, you can see. Then the difference here is going to be about 5 inches. So by the time we sew it, it's going to give us 4.5 inches. Then I will now connect them together like this. Then cut it out. So I'm going to notch the center here. So this is how it's going to be on the hoodie. You can see that is the face. This is how it's going to be. So this is how it's going to be. As you can see that you sew it down like this. Then you sew it to the opening of the face here. Then you attach this area to the neckline of the dress to make it a hoodie hijab. So let me go and do all this and show it to you. So this is after joining the cap to the hoodie. You can see. Then I want to join the hoodie to the neckline of the dress to make it a hoodie khimar. You understand? So I want to, after taking the 2 shoulders, the next thing is to check the wideness of what you got. If it's not, or if it is more than the wideness of the hoodie, so you have to retake the shoulder to reduce the wideness. You understand? But here I think I'm getting 27 inches, and what I got after taking half inch for the front, at half inch at both sides of the hoodie, I got 27 inches. So I have to notch the 2 center, the center front, then the center back. So just notch the center, then you bring your hoodie. You can start from the back, you can start from the, so here is it, you can see. Like now I'm starting from the I want to start from the front, so I will end it at the front. So I will now take the front of the hoodie here, the front here, then you can see, then I'll now place it at the front of the neckline of the dress. But before then, you can see what I got. I still have my 27 inches. So this is what I'm going to do. You can see the front center of the hoodie, then the front center of the neck of the dress to make it a hoodie khimar. So I will now start to sew. So starting from here, I will end up here also. So you can see. So this is how you're going to be sewing it. You can see. So this is the back. We have got to the center back. So the notch part and the join part on the hoodie, they are on the same line, as you can see. Then I'll hand it to the front as well. This is how it's going to be. So as you can see, so we are done with the joining here. I'm done with the joining. So the next thing is to show you the finished work. So yeah, the finished work so far, as you can see, this is the neckline, this is the sleeve side. So I make use of my own stone to beautify the sleeve area. This is how it is. You can see how beautiful this turns out. If you are watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.